Ever thought about getting stronger without ever going to a gym? No weights, no machines, just your body and a little space at home. That's calisthenics, and it's one of the easiest ways for beginners to start building real strength. So what is calisthenics? It's a form of training where you use your own body weight. Exercises like push-ups, squats, planks, and pull-ups. Simple movements that can be adjusted based on your level. The best part? It costs nothing. No gym fees, no equipment, just your effort and consistency. Before you start the workout, keep this mindset in mind. Always focus on proper form instead of rushing reps. Begin with what you can handle and improve gradually. Remember, consistency will always beat going all out for a few days. Even 10-15 minutes daily can make a big difference over time. Here's a basic beginner-friendly routine you can follow at home. Push-ups, 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps. Great for building chest, shoulders, and arms. If it feels hard, you can start with knee push-ups. Bodyweight squats, 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Helps develop your legs and glutes. Keep your chest up and push through your heels. Plank hold, 3 rounds of 20 to 40 seconds. Strengthens your core and improves stability. Make sure your body stays in a straight line.
Glute bridges, 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Targets your lower back, glutes, and hamstrings. Squeeze at the top for better activation. Negative pull-ups, if you have access to a bar. Do 3 to 5 reps. Jump up to the top position and lower yourself slowly. This builds strength for full pull-ups. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't rush your repetitions. Don't ignore warming up. And don't compare your progress with people performing advanced moves online. Real progress takes patience. So this is your starting routine for calisthenics at home. Follow it 3 times a week and you'll start noticing strength improvements. Which exercise are you going to start with today? Push-ups or squats? Let me know in the comments.